Here's a quick rundown on how I installed these LED light strips. I still got to fix how they are laid out in this area. It doesn't look the best right now, but it's still in its first phase. However, basically, I got these off Amazon. They can be any LED strips as long as the width isn't too big. It's very easy to do. Basically, on the side marker lights, I took out the bulb right here and I actually routed it down in there. It's kind of hard to see. Right in there. That's the wire for the LED strip, which goes out to here, which connects to a connector, and then it goes into this box where it splits out into the positive section, which I wired to the battery along with the fog lights. And then there is a negative, which I just grounded to the side fender, which is metal, and that's the screw that's holding it in. I grounded it to there, and then other than that, I can turn it on and off with the remote switch it came with, but I usually just leave it on. I don't have a switch to it yet because it probably consumes so little power that it doesn't really matter. It's not going to drain my battery. Then I have the other side running to the other headlight as well, as you can see down in there. It's kind of hard to see. Yeah, there it is, right through there. So you can actually route these right through the side marker lights, and it actually doesn't look too bad. I just gotta fix how that's kind of laid out through there. But they do route pretty nicely. A little hard to do. I took out these bulbs and I used kind of a screwdriver to kind of maneuver it in there. It's a little hard to do. I can post a more in-depth video, but this is a quick rundown of what I got going on.